Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see how to make cheese corn sandwich. Let's take quarter cup of cooked sweet corn kernels in a bowl. With this, add quarter chopped onion, chopped capsicum 1/8 cup, 2 to 3 sprigs of chopped coriander leaves, chili flakes quarter teaspoon, pepper powder quarter teaspoon, salt quarter teaspoon, mayonnaise 2 teaspoon. Mix it well. Take 2 slices of bread, spread the pizza sauce or tomato sauce as per your choice. Now place the cheese slice over one bread. Sprinkle some chili flakes. Fill the bread with sweet corn mixture. Close it with another bread slice and apply butter on outside of the sandwich and toast it. Now we will see 3 methods of toasting sandwich. First we will see how to make it in dosa pan. Heat a dosa pan. Now place the sandwich and press it gently. Cook around 30 seconds on each side. Another method is electric griddle. Preheat the electric griddle for 3 minutes if it is 1000 watts. Otherwise preheat around 5 minutes. Now place the sandwich in the griddle. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Another method of cooking is take place in the oven. Keep the sandwich in the grill rack. Set it as grill mode. Cook around 4 to 5 minutes in high temperature. Take it out and flip the sandwich, then cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Cut it diagonally. Now the cheese corn sandwich is ready. Please try this at your home. Post your feedback, like and share the video. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.